Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Okay, should we start? Yes, okay. I'll share my screen. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is chart of Nifty. Okay. In Nifty, what are we able to see? The trend was down, then it changed to up, and now it is again. Force is down, but trend is up. And what is it doing? It has touched buying area of daily chart. So this is the area 23,507. It has touched it once here, again it has touched it here. So when the force is down, then we may find some support, but prices may not rise rapidly. And what do we see here? If we check with long position tool, stop loss for this trade was around 244 points. It went up around 719 points. I'll mute all. If anyone has any questions or if I want to ask anybody anything, I will allow unmute. Till then, everyone will stay muted. Will not have any disturbances. So this is chart of Nifty. There was this area of buying. At this, risk was around 244 points and it went up by 719 points in just 3 days from this buying area when it touched this buying area. At this time, when it touched this buying area, prices were falling rapidly and there was a strong selling area. I will show you with bar replay. If you can notice, there is this small red strip and it strong hidden gap. So there was this selling candles are available visible here. There was this strong selling area and price came down and it went up to this selling area. So these selling areas can also be used for partial profit booking when trend is not up. Trend is up, but force is not in favor. Because when the force is not in favor, they are likely to take some resistance in these areas, reduce the selling pressure, come down slowly, and later on, when the selling pressure is gone, then prices move very rapidly. On 75-minute, let us see what is. So, as we know that lower time frame trend will change in the buying area of higher time frame. Here, this is buying area of same time frame. This is 75-minute chart, so buying area of same time frame, but we had marked it on daily chart also, and it is same area 23,507 on daily chart. So if you notice, this is the daily chart. It has same buying area, and 75-minute chart also has same buying area. Before coming here and reversing from here, price has broken multiple buying areas. So there was one buying here, it was broken. Another buying area here, it was broken and candle turned red. And then this was the last one, which was respected. So which area will get respected, which area will not get respected? This is always a confusion. Therefore, I always tell that when the trend is one time frame, go one time frame higher and check where is the reversal point in that higher time frame. So as we are checking, 75-minute trend is down here and we have buying area below that on daily chart and 75-minute chart also. So this is the level where prices can change the trend and from here prices can go up. This is very important area. Then let us see. And I have also told you that when prices are falling rapidly, then like this, then it is likely to go below this low. It came below that low, and when there is buying area below this kind of lows, then there are very high chances that that buying area will give you entry and this stop loss will be triggered. Therefore, these are important points where keeping stop loss can be a bad idea. Now, some people with some other indicator will be able to see this, that there is some change. The candle color will be green here, but their stop loss will get hit. I have made many modifications in my indicator. Therefore, it does not show uptrend, it shows sideways trend. and the stop of longs is not hit because there is no indication to take long position or no indication to buy. Buying will happen only here when the trend is up in higher time frame, and this is higher time frames buying area, which also coincides with lower time frame buying area. Therefore, it is respected. Otherwise, this area can also get broken. So when price reaches some buying area with this kind of price action where there is some box and price falls below that box, touching the buying area, can give a good reaction. Stop loss hunting will be done and people will exit their longs. Then prices will go up and people will feel अरे मैंने तो stop loss बराबर swing low के नीचे लगाया था. Why my stop is hit and prices are going up? So this is the reason trend is not favorable on this time frame. Trend is favorable on higher time frame and buying area of higher time frame is at lower level. Does anyone have any question here? Yeah, any question? Okay, it seems there is no question. Then let us check what price is likely to do now. Now we are we are in this buying area, and again when price is coming down, it is coming down with strong selling candle. So when there is strong selling candle and price touches buying area, it may give some reaction. Again, we can see same thing. Here we have a buying area which is around 124 points. From here, price went up. It went up by 210 points. And many people will be very happy in taking these kind of trades. 1:1. I have seen many people taking less than 1:1 also. Their target was this. This was the selling area, and uh, this was strong selling area. In force candle, we are going to discuss about this. This was strong hidden gap area. I think the label is not coming. It will come when it there are some more candles because it is slightly lesser, smaller area in length. So this is strong selling area. Price came in the buying area. It gave reaction, went in this big gap. This is hidden gap. After that, again it came down. So I have said that when price falls down strongly, comes in buying area, immediately it may not give strong reversal. It may go in some hidden gaps. It may go in some strong hidden gap, come down again, fall below this low. Now those people who might have bought here and price went up to this by 210 points, they will not keep their stop loss below this. They will shift their stop loss below this, and their stop loss hunting will be done and prices will reverse. Many a times what happens is when there are overlapping buying areas like this and this, then price again comes at junction of these two. So here this black line price has touched that area and after that it is trying to go up. Now the selling pressure is slightly less. Here we have a selling area of 75-minute time frame, and high of this high of this selling area is 23,800. So this is not a very strong selling area because from here price is not going in downtrend. It is it is just bearish sideways, bullish sideways. So it is likely that this area may get broken and then we can see nice up moves. What I want to say is price close above this, maybe up to this 23,911. So if price goes up to this and then again it comes back up to this, here we have hidden gap. After that, it may go up and create new up high. This is possible based on 75-minute chart. So what will be my plan? Should I buy immediately here with this as my stop loss? It will give me very small risk reward. What should I do? I can wait. Price will close above this. If it closes above this glue and crosses this, when retracement starts, after that I can look for buying opportunities. So the plan will be plot a fib retracement when price comes down in 50% retracement here. At that time, 5 minute and 3 minute will be in downtrend. They will change their trend to uptrend at some time, and that will be the time to look for bullish opportunities or buying entries, which can give you trend in direction of 75-minute time frame, and by that time 15-minute time frame will also be up. Right now 15-minute trend is down. Now tomorrow if gap up happens, what is possible? I will tell you two scenarios. Suppose price opens as gap up here or above this but below this. So this range is 23,730 to 24,000, 23,800. If price opens within this, what is likely to happen? Will it gap up and run up, or will it gap up and fall down?
So it will gap up and fall down, or rather, it may not gap up.
Okay, it may not gap up, or if it gaps up, it may fall down.
So there are two rejection wicks, and the movement is sideways, and the left side is also not very strong. So the chances
Yes,
of gapping down or rather coming down are more according to me, because
yes,
lower lows are being formed.
yeah. So the lower lows are being formed.
Highs are also the
Now, price,
lower highs are also there. Lower low and lower high.
lower highs, yes, lower lows and lower highs are visible. Okay.
And there is a
Now, what?
selling area is a sort of resistance area. So we need a lot of force to break it.
Okay.
Plus,
Any other opinion? Yes, you can continue, sir.
at least it will not cross 23, this selling area tomorrow. It may cross day after tomorrow after building some cause over here.
Just a minute. I think I have logged in from desktop, therefore it's showing some error.
So you have to log out from one of the apps.
Yes, yes, I'm trying to do that. Should not happen. Okay. So what do we see here? 15-minute force was down, trend turned down, then selling area was broken. Again, prices started falling down and it came in buying area of daily chart. So this is buying area of daily chart where price has touched. And from here, what do we expect? We expect trend reversal. And we have sideways price action. Is this strong downtrend now?
No, it is not. Yes.
Yes. Now it is sideways price action. So there we can have a selling climax, AR secondary test kind of scenario. This can turn out to be a spring by
Hmm.
Wyckoff in schematics. Now, if this is a spring and we have a price with gap up, or somehow price is able to cross and close above this, that will be break above this trading range, and from here prices can go up. Another thing what can happen is we have two strong buying candles here, and this selling candle force is broken because high of this candle is broken, and we have already touched this selling area. So either price can fall down again below this, or it is possible that it may come down and it may not have any selling force. So if it touches this selling area again, gap up open happens, prices come down slowly, and they are unable to fall below this 23,550 line. They are unable to close below this and new swing low is formed. That will show higher low formation. If that happens, that will be indication that now prices are willing to go up from daily chart, daily buying area. This may happen tomorrow, this may happen day after tomorrow. I don't know when it will happen. But it is possible that it can gap up, come down, and from here it may reverse. I'm not saying that if it reverses, it will break and it will go up higher up to 24,200, 300. That's not the scenario which I'm discussing. But it may gap up, come down, then it may again test this area and start moving higher. So possibility of sideways price action continuation is more likely, and it may take some time. It may again come up here and break. Suppose there is a gap up open and candle closes about 23,800. Then all the selling areas here will disappear. There is strong hidden gap here. What will happen? From this, prices can come down. So this is 23,965 to 23,880. So this is the region. If the gap up opens happens and prices close above this, they may go up to this level. It may penetrate, may not penetrate through this, and it can come down again and test these swing highs again. So it may form something like a backup action here. That is also a possibility. We'll have to wait and watch. If candle closes above this, there can be retracement entry possible. But if it opens as a gap up, and if somebody wants to sell short, then this can be stop loss 23,800. That can be a stop loss 23,550. That can be a target. So this is how it is possible to take trades. Now on 5 minute, what do we see? There is strong up move and trend has changed to upward. Uptrend is visible and there is no retracement till now. So it is possible that price can go up and give retracement. And on 5 minute chart, it will give retracement entry up to 23,600 or 23,590. So these areas can be the areas where price can come down. Now suppose gap down happens. What will happen if prices gap down? Then it is possible that gap down may be seen, and based on 15-minute chart, it is still downtrend. So it can come below this area and test these lows again, or it can come here and confirm secondary test. So gap down may happen, and from here price can immediately reverse also. So basically there are multiple scenarios which are possible, and clear cut indication to take a trade is not available. So what should be done? Let it give some clear picture and confirm that I want to do this. But suppose price comes down and gives entry here, and we expect that it can come back here, and we see some reversal from here, then it will be a good risk reward trade as compared to risk taken, which is stop loss below this. Even if we get entry in this buying area, that will be very small stop loss. See, it is around 25 points or so. And from here, if we see rise up to this level, it is 180 points. So consider 30 points to 180. It is good risk to reward 1:8. So if for some reason price falls down, gaps down, and comes up to this buying area, and at that time selling force is not severe, strong selling force is not visible, it creates some sluggish uh, downfall, and then it starts reversing. That can also be another indication to look for buying opportunity. At that time, it is possible that 3 minute trend will be down. Let us check. 3 minute trend will not be down because 3 minute buying area is here. So as long as this is not broken, 3 minute trend will also not be down. So we can look for some opportunities later on, or maybe wait for some confirmation where we expect that rapid up move is possible. It is possible to buy here also based on daily chart, or buy above this candle's high and keep stop loss below this. So those who are looking for longer term, they can look for this opportunity to buy immediate above this candle's high. At that time, swing low will be confirmed. So we have a low, then we have a higher low here as compared to this. These are inside candles. So this is the low. Prices went up. Let me hide all the indicators and we'll go to our candles. So those who know my markings, they will be able to identify. This is the swing low. This is not a swing low. So from here, prices came down, went up. Again, they came down. And as soon as price crosses above this, new swing low will form. So we have a swing low, another swing low, and we may have a higher low. So it will be higher intermediate low as well. The lines have not appeared. Okay, let me add it again. Sometimes there can be some error. Yes. So we have intermediate low here, price went up. Again, this low is formed. And at this level, if higher low forms, we have higher intermediate low as compared to this. And one can buy immediately at this level also when this high is crossed. So higher intermediate low is formed at this level, and this can be a good opportunity to buy. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the 15 minutes time frame you saw told no there is a buy area corresponding to the daily chart. How did you
75 minute
know?
chart.
In
75
the
minute chart.
75 minute, yeah, 75
So
minutes chart. Yes.
this is daily chart.
Huh.
What I have done is I have marked this high, this low.
Okay.
Okay. So this is high of buying area. This is low of buying area.
Yes.
And it is visible. If we go and check visibility, it is visible on weekly, daily. So I have removed week. It is visible on daily, hours and minutes chart. So if I go, if from here, if I go to 75-minute chart, this line, because I have removed all other lines, this
Yes.
line which I have marked manually, it corresponds to daily buying area. And
Yes.
75-minute buying area is also in same area.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
know
Hmm.
that it is higher
And the
time frame
small
buying area.
area above that, it's a new buy area. Means on the right side. Yes,
Yes.
this
So
one.
this buy area, it is created when this green color change appeared. So
Okay.
if I show you with bar replay, at this time, change is not visible and buy area is not visible here.
No.
There is a selling area. When
Yes.
candle closes above this selling area will disappear. There will be a new buying area. Candle color of next candle will be green. So this is how it has closed above the selling area. Selling area has disappeared and new buying area has formed.
Okay. Yes.
As soon as this buying area is formed, what we should do? We should keep alert at this level. That if prices come at this level, we can look to buy. And this is 75-minute chart, so we don't need to keep looking every 75-minute prices whether the price has touched it or not. Just place alert. Whenever alert comes, you can come and look at the chart. Till that time, it's not necessary to look the chart. Just check every
Okay.
day at end of the day.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, if we,
Any other questions?
Sir Ketan here,
Yes, yes,
if we are looking in 15 minutes frame,
yes.
the possibility of spring,
Yes.
you're telling me, then when do we expect the test of the spring and where? See, unless we have got a test for the spring, it is a failed spring.
Not failed spring.
Or
See,
no test.
if we don't have a testing of the spring, then it is a missed opportunity. It is not a failed spring.
Okay.
In fact, it is very strong spring. Therefore,
Strong spring.
testing action was not required.
Yes, yes, yes. Got it, got it. So anytime it
Yes.
may or may not go for a spring and it may just shoot up again.
Yeah. So sometimes when the price is very strong,
Hmm.
and means the buyers are very strong at that, the selling is not very significant,
Hmm.
then testing action may not happen. So
Yes.
these are different levels where testing action may happen. It can be selling climax low, it can be secondary test low. So 23,600 to 23,550. These are the levels where testing action may happen. Testing action happens where the volume is high. High of those high volume candles are tested. Here we have some hidden gaps, so those hidden gaps may also get tested. Price may come in this hidden gap, can test this low here, 23,600. From there, if the testing action is successful, then we may see ultimate breakout.
Okay. The test in action should have a low selling.
Lower size of candles,
Low.
smaller volume.
Dr. Prashant,
Yes,
I joined late, approximately 7, 8 minutes late. So can you
no
please
problem.
like summarize it in a shell?
So anybody wants to summarize what we have discussed about Nifty? Ketan sir, would you like to summarize?
I also joined late at the same time when Praveen joined at the same time. But before that,
Okay, okay.
not there. I was not able
So
to.
let me tell you, we have discussed with 4 candles and this TRT. Whenever price falls with strong fall, with strong selling pressure, these lows are mostly tested. The price came down, touched buying area here. It was below this. So this candle low, it was higher than buying area. Many times people feel that it did not touch buying area, went up above, went higher without touching the buying area, and entry is missed. So if it is missed, it's okay, it's missed opportunity. But many times we get entry like this. When there is strong selling pressure, price comes down, touches this. Again, there is strong selling pressure, therefore prices are coming and touching this area again. So, same thing happened on 75-minute chart as well. There was strong selling pressure when price touched this buying area. Therefore, it went up slightly, but again it came down below this. This is a common factor. This is common observation. We can see this in multiple charts that whenever there is strong selling pressure, even if it touches buying area, prices can go up and come down. It may go just below this, or it may also go below this. So they may go below this buying area many a times if the selling pressure is very strong. But candle does not close below this. Many people exit because of fear that prices have gone through below all the swing points, and after that they reverse. And whenever there is selling pressure at higher areas, even though trend is up, prices are in green color, they can go in that selling area, which is a strong hidden gap. From there it can give some reaction. That is why I say that when selling pressure candles are visible, line of least resistance is not upside, and therefore it's better to wait and watch for further more time. It may give some reaction, it may not give strong reaction immediately, but if prices fall very slowly and come in buying area, after that they can have area of least resistance and prices can rapidly move faster at higher levels. Okay.
A similar thing happened today in Bank Nifty, that it crossed the low of the spring.
Yes, so this is Bank Nifty chart. If we check daily chart, there are visible gaps here. Then selling pressure again, because there is some selling pressure, price came down below this candle, below this zone.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so that's what I was saying just some time ago, that prices can penetrate through this area also, and it is always better to wait and watch and let the prices show some strength. Let the selling pressure disappear. Here we can see 75-minute time frame. Let us mark daily chart of buying area. So this is buying area on daily chart. Price came down strongly, came down strongly. The trend is down here. As the trend is down, we are not going to buy immediately in any buying area. There must have been a buying area on 75-minute chart here as well. If you want, I can show it to you. See, with bar replay, you will be able to see it. So bar replay is the most important tool, and it teaches us many things. So here there was a buying area, price fell down very strongly, and many people will show you, see, this is bullish candle, this is a hammer, and from here prices went up. Just keep stop loss above this, below this hammer. There is risk of 390 points. It went up by 800, 900 points. But we don't know how to exit at 900 point, and we are not able to, will most of the time will not be able to exit at this top. At the most, these kind of people take risk to reward 1:1, not more than that. 1:1 is too high for them. So here selling pressure is strong. Prices went sideways. Again, it came down, touched this buying area. At this time also selling pressure is high. Price tried to go up, came down again, went below this, and then started going up. But there is trend is still down. There is selling pressure here, selling area here, and from there again prices started falling. We have two downward pressure candles. Again, these lows are likely to get broken because there are selling pressure candles. One, two, three. As there are selling areas and trend is down and selling pressure is visible, this low is also likely to get broken because trend is down and strong selling pressure is visible. So it is broken. Now many people will try to buy at this, sell at this level. Sell thinking that price is likely to fall with this strong selling pressure and breakdown is successful. But it is already falling since so many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 selling pressure candles. So if there are so many selling pressure candles, it can be a climatic move. And we are in higher time frame buying area. So from there, trend is likely to reverse. Therefore, s- sell as a breakdown is not a good strategy at this level.
So when do we short then in this situation? Is it possible? I shorted uh, early in the morning when the first, I mean the sell on
So
rise.
yes, so here at this level, selling is not advisable. That
Mhm.
it will break down further because there are already so much price fall. There is so much price fall here that prices are already expanding on downside. If it is already expanding, then we may not expect that it will continuously keep falling. And
Mm.
especially, we don't have any good risk reward trade. If we sell here, just one candle stop loss will be advisable, and
Mm.
that may not be successful trade. And if we keep stop loss about this, then it
Mm.
will be very big stop loss and risk reward will not be favorable.
Mm.
What was right time to sell? When price came down and went in this area, this candle could have given a short entry, or any of these candles could have triggered short entries on 75-minute time frame. If not that, then when this downward arrow is printed in this candle, that could have been selling opportunity by keeping stop loss above this. So price went up, but it fell down below this. That could be again confirmation entry that there is strong bearish candle sell here, keep stop loss at this level. That is our original entry also.
Hmm.
Minimum target is below this, and we can expect targets below this also. And we can go to lower time frame, and we may get some selling opportunities after this. So from
We continue.
this to this, in this area we may get some buying selling opportunity again. See here, what do we see? The trend was up, came down, became sideways. After that it became down and rapid fall. So there is no retracement entry, but confirmation entry, uh, continuation entry on downside that can be taken. On 5-minute chart, if we check, on 5-minute chart, do we have any selling opportunity on retracement?
So we are seeing late
Late means
6, 7, 8.
we are checking in this red box. So 75-minute, this is the selling area of 75-minute. Price started falling from here. So we are checking after this candle, do we have any retracement entry? Okay. So when this fall started, do we have any retracement entry? So there is a bearish change. After that, price did not come in this selling area, went up, created this. So it started falling down, created this continuation, created a selling area, and this can be called as a retracement entry, even though it has not touched our selling area, but it is deeper retracement entry. You can see it is up to 75% retracement where we like to sell. So we could have sold in this candle and stop loss above this. Okay, that was one possibility. Again, there is new selling area continuation. From here, price came down, again came down, created continuation, continuation, and there is no retracement entry based on 5-minute chart. We can check on 3-minute chart. Yeah, and 3-minute chart has given retracement entry for selling. See, price created a bearish change, a continuation, gave retracement entry. Stop loss is on closing basis. This area is not broken, and one could have shorted here in this. It may have been agonizing wait for some time. After that, price came down, went up again, and came down. Once it started falling rapidly after this small price action of sideways trading, then it started falling like in phase E, rapid falls. And see, there are strong downward candles. Buying pressure candles are not visible here. Strong selling candles and buying pressure candles started appearing here. So this area could have been used to exit or just keep stop loss above this above this high, above this high, and ultimately above this high. So when candle color changed green here, at that time one could have exited. And this is the reason I use three charts: 15-minute, 5-minute, and 3-minute. And there can be opportunity on one of these three time frames. It's not necessary that it will give opportunity on all time frames. It can give only on one of those three. Okay, sir.
4, 6, 7, 8. आज की तारीख का देखें ना सर.
आज की तारीख का यहाँ का देखना है.
हाँ जी, आज सुबह से.
If we are checking today, this is 10:15, 9:15. So this is 9:15, and if we check for today on 5-minute chart, on 5-minute chart it has given nice retracement to sell. See, this was yesterday's price action at 3 o'clock. First candle created continuation, and at 9:40 it gave nice retracement entry to sell short, and then prices started falling. one could have captured even up to this. Suppose this is your sell area. Let us do bar replay of this, okay? This is the 5-minute chart, and price is already in downtrend. And this is end of the day at 3:15, 3:25. So 3:25 candle means it ends at 3:30. So this is last candle, and whatever candle appears as first candle today, this is the first candle. It has created this selling area. So this is first candle, it has created selling area. What we can do as a continuation entry, we can immediately sell here, and after selling immediately, stop loss will be here. It is 208 point stop loss. I am not willing to take this much of stop loss. So what I will do, I will wait for price to give me retracement entry in this selling area. That will be around 73 points. 73 to 75 points and up to 100 points is good stop loss in Bank Nifty on 5-minute chart. So this is 75-point stop loss, and if price touches here, what I will do is I will sell short, and my stop loss will be above this. Either it will be above this on closing basis, or I can use this on crossing basis. Both of these will be my stop losses. Okay. When price comes down, I may feel अरे यहाँ पे बेच दिया होता तो अच्छा होता गिर के. But risk reward was not favorable, and when there is retracement like this, we have bigger drawdowns. But when price touches our selling area, then we are not in big drawdown immediately, and trend is in our favor. So what do we see? Price came down immediately. See, at this point, from risk of 73 points, we are already in profit of 126 points within 10 minutes. So sometimes many people book within that short span of time. They don't wait for full trend. But it gave entry, it came down, went up again. So why it came down and went up again? Because of this. There is a arrow on upside. There was a strong candle here. If you see the candle color of force candle, it will be yellow, and there is strong buying force. There is a hidden gap here. So price went in this selling area, came down. It did not fail immediately. First, it completely filled the hidden gap. It went up to this, then it went up, came down up to this, went up again. After that, it started falling. So when there are strong candles, then this kind of thing happens. Prices take some time to start falling again, but ultimately it started falling, and strong downward candle was created. See, this was a strong selling candle, selling hidden gap. Strong hidden gap is visible here, and now with continuation, selling area is formed. So from here, our stop loss will be shifted to this. It will not get shifted to this area if we want to follow the trend. It came down, 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 and continued down. So we cannot tell beforehand that prices are likely to fall and they are likely to give us big reward. What we can do is we can just manage our risk, and here our risk was 73 points. So for 73 point risk, prices have already gone down by 589. Now if we keep a target of 150 point, 75 point का stop loss है तो 150 point का target रखते हैं, then capturing big moves like this on trending days will not be possible. But if we keep targets and it becomes non-trending day, then we'll be very happy. But अच्छा हुआ target रख दिया, at least थोड़ा तो profit मिला. So decide what you like and act accordingly.
Sir, Prashant here. Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
where you are suggesting to short here? After the bearish arrow, the second candle after?
Here,
Uh,
at 940 candle.
according to our rules, there is strong buying force and arrow
Yes,
over there, below that.
yes,
So
yes.
we need to wait for 2-3 candles going slowly in the.
Yes. So what we can do is, if we sell immediately here,
Yeah,
we
that is
can
risky. That is risky.
see this kind of price action, that it will not fall rapidly immediately. Now, if we wait for confirmation to have this arrow, then what will happen? Our entry will be here in
The
this candle.
yeah.
Yeah. So if we short here, then our risk will be,
No,
our stop loss will be,
today whole day this thing happening. I am watching market whole day. There is a strong
yes,
bullish candle and then strong bearish candle again after some time.
strong bullish.
Whenever a
Yes.
strong bullish candle, and I thought that there is not a good chance of this reward
Yes.
because there is strong buying force. And after
Yes.
that, there is no entry possible.
Yeah. So this can happen sometimes that there is strong buying pressure candle and we may not take entry and later on prices may fall down. Therefore, what we have to judge is whether it is worth taking or not. And what I usually follow is I check the size of buying candle and selling candle. If the buying candle is larger than selling candle size, I will not short. If the size of selling candle is larger than buying candle, then I will be able to short. This is one simple thing which can be used.
Is
See
there
here,
any important of volume, sir, in this both candle? Wha- Which has
in this both candles, if we want to check volume, then let us see. But selling candle should have more volume if we are looking to sell, and buying candle should have
yeah.
smaller volume. Right. So we have a high
Correct,
volume
sir.
here
Correct,
and low
sir.
volume here.
So
Right.
this is good opportunity. Actually, we missed.
Yeah. So what happens is, as we are just trying to understand the tape reading tool and trying to take trades, not trying to take big risk, then it is okay to just check the price action, understand what is happening, what kind of trade we have missed today, and what was possible thing to do in that scenario. Just understand these things, and next time when same thing happens, you have that experience how to tackle that situation and you'll be in a better situation to tackle it.
So Ketan sir told that he has sorted today morning. I just want to
Yes.
know where at what time he has sorted.
Sir, I shorted immediately at around 10:30 के बीच में कुछ था यहाँ पे 10 o'clock after 10 o'clock, and then I came out also.
Uh-huh.
Then again at around 1:30, I think 1:30 in the afternoon,
Okay.
entered again, feeling that the 75 minutes candles have broken the lows. So I again shorted. But then
Okay.
that is not favorable now, and I am waiting for tomorrow.
Sir, can we
On
see the bar replay up to 130?
Yes, we'll go. Now see, if we had shorted here, this is a risk of 75 points, and from here price has hit the stop loss, trailing stop loss at 473 point profit. It went down by 666 points, right? So at one point, we were in profit of more around, we missed profit of 192 points by keeping trailing stop loss. Is it good strategy or bad strategy?
It's a good strategy, obviously.
Because we cannot capture this bottom, it's not possible. Otherwise, what happens is in attempt to capture that bottom, we may exit here in this candle. We can see that this is big candle. We'll feel अरे इतना गिर गया अभी और कितना गिरेगा चलो बुक कर लेते हैं इसके ऊपर स्टॉप लॉस जाएगा तो if it prices go above this we'll have loss और many times what we'll feel that अरे continuation बन गया exit करते partial booking and we'll short here again. So trying to capture all the fluctuations will be the reason of high brokerages and many loss making trades because we exit from profit making trade and then we try to enter at some other level where risk reward either is not favorable or the possibility or probability of having successful trade is lesser. So here what happened, as this was just first time green, price came down, there are strong selling candles, no buying candle. So as there are strong selling candles everywhere, price came below this and broke that selling area. buying area. Yeah, here price closed below that, and then again it kept falling, went up, gave retracement entry in the sell area, and closed above that. Now at this time, if one shorted in this retracement area, what
Hmm.
is the thing which is in favor and what is against it?
Risk reward ratio was not in favor, but
Risk reward ratio was favorable.
mhm.
See, if you are selling here, your risk is just 65 points,
Yes, yes.
and possible target can be 300 points, 250 points.
Hmm.
So risk reward is favorable. It's not a problem. And what else is not favorable?
So
Sir,
Sir,
there are
force.
price
two
has already
Force.
strong
fell so much.
force.
So
Strong force,
probably,
sir. Strong force,
Yes,
sir.
strong force.
Strong
So
force.
if you
And can
see,
we see volume also, sir, with this same thing?
yes.
Because
So downward selling pressure here, we have a downward selling pressure. This is the volume.
yeah,
Then one buying pressure, another buying pressure candle, both have higher volume as compared to this candle.
average volume is also high.
Yes,
So not a good trade, sir. Back to back, two bullish force candles.
yes. So this was the volume, and here volume is larger than this, volume is larger than this in both the buying candles. Again, third buying candle, there is higher volume, and prices reached selling area. So when price is reaching selling area with three strong candles, this is also strong bullish candle. Three buying candles, then this happens. Prices go above and break the selling area. In this candle, stop loss gets hit because there is strong buying. Okay.
मेरा जो
Okay.
ट्रेड लिया था उसमें रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो वाज बैड. I took at around 1320.
Okay. Just a minute. I will come in a minute. Just a minute. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Meeting. Yeah. So at this time, stop loss was hit, and that's it. So exiting here or exiting here, it would have been almost same, and we cannot exit here. That's really not possible. Okay. Only one thing which can be done is when this forms,
Can
at
we
that
continue
time
bar
one
replay
can
till the end of the day?
end of the day. Yeah, sure.
Yes.
So at this time, if I want to do anything, what I will do is I will look to buy at retracement if there is good opportunity. But I will do only before 2:30 because there should be some time limit. After 2:30, there may not be adequate time left for my targets because 5-minute charts are for intraday and we may not keep holding after 3 o'clock. Price kept going higher and there is no opportunity to take any trade. At this time, just leave it. Yes. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
can you go to please Nifty 75-minute once again?
Yeah, Nifty 75 minutes. Yes.
So you had told here the concept of first green and all doesn't work, or it does, because from red it turned green and then the next it will touch the base, because of if I entered into the 3D course and I don't know about the spring and secondary testing.
Yeah,
I
so
just
see, what I have told is when there is strong downward movement,
yes
then
sir.
first green don't buy. Here we don't have any first green. This could have been first green, but it is not, and it has went down, gone below this. So it
Yes.
created a buying area, but that was broken. And then
Mm.
this will be after sideways price action. This is second green. Prices went up, came down in buying area. If you buy here, that is our strategy to buy in the buying area. One could have bought here, but there is strong selling pressure. Therefore, it went up slightly, came down again, went below this, and now again it is trying to go up.
Okay.
So
So
it
then
is
we are seeing from which time, means from what is this like the time from actually? This is this is
whichever chart you
75.
check.
Yes.
Yeah,
How many
whichever
candles
chart
at
you
the
check.
span? Hmm.
Whichever chart you check, what should you do? Just come here and reset chart.
Okay.
Okay. So this is adequate data on your chart. You can use this much of chart and check it. Otherwise, use at least 100 candles on chart at a time. At least 100 candles, and they should be properly visible. So this is
Okay.
more than 100. Maybe 150 candles are visible here. See, from here to here, there are 184
184 bus.
candles. Yeah.
And
So
so those
roughly
dots.
150 to 200 candles. Those dots, don't worry about them for now. Just check these arrows. They are
Okay, sir.
important.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And see, there is strong downfall. After that, price goes sideways. And remember this thing that if prices fall very rapidly, then usually they do not recover like this. This is V-shaped recovery. This is just 20% times. Most of the time, it falls and then goes sideways. Sideways can be double bottom or triple bottom or accumulation schematic kind of thing. And then it will create uptrend. So this is most often seen. Price falls down, goes sideways, can be double bottom or head and shoulder or whatnot, and then it starts moving up. And it will never go up in straight line. It will never fall down in straight line. It mostly goes up, comes down. Initially, it will give deep retracement. Later on, the retracement will be lesser and lesser. See, here also prices rapidly went up, created first change on downside. This is yellow. Then it went up again, created some trading range, and after that it fell down. So there is a concept of string upthrust, accumulation, distribution. It is not possible to identify everything, and here it is possible that we may not have a shorting opportunity based on TRT, but we may get some good opportunity later on. Here in buying area, we have got good opportunity. It is possible that from here trend may change, and we may get a good risk reward trade of 1 is to 20 also. Risk here, if we buy here, let us check how much is the risk. Sorry for the background noise. My daughter is here. So there is 125 point stop loss, and it can go up to 900 points also. We never know. So if it goes up by 900 points, our risk reward will be 1 is to 7. If we missed one or two trades and get one trade with 1 is to 7 risk reward, it is much better than having multiple trades every day. Okay. Only thing is we should be willing to lose the trade and take the risk that if I lose this trade, it is okay. But whenever I get good trade, it will recover all the losses.
Sir, while shorting the calls, how much
Yes.
distance from ATM do you recommend for Nifty and Bank Nifty?
Well, it will depend on what is the time when we are shorting, how much is the holding period for which we are shorting, what is the level at which we are shorting?
Yes,
Are we selling in sell areas, or are we selling because we feel that price will not go above this, it will not go below this, and prices in between? What I prefer, I will tell you
Hmm.
that if I want to sell option, if I want to sell put, I will sell it when price touches buying area. And then what I usually do is I will go to 3 minute or 1 minute chart, let it create some low like this. Let me hide the indicator. Suppose I am in buying area, price is falling like this, and it has created this low. Okay, suppose it has created this low, 23,523. I will check 23,500 and 50 points lower, 50 points lower. So 23,500, 23,450, 23,400. Three calls, three puts will be in the list. I will check their charts, what is happening in them. When new low forms, if 23,500 put is creating higher low, higher high, then I will not sell that. But if it is not able to create higher high, and suppose it is trading at rupees 100 at this level, and it is trading at 90 rupees at this level, and it comes down up to this, but still the price is not able to create new high, and then we get this candle. So I will sell at this level. When this candle is printed, I will sell put at this level, and I will keep stop loss below days, above days high. So that is one trick which I use, that spot is falling, but option premium is not increasing in puts. That shows that selling is increasing in puts. This is one trick which I follow. Otherwise, next is using TRT. I can check the trend, and I can act on that.
Sir,
And for
if
option
we, if
buying, I
we,
have
you,
different strategy.
what you are saying, I understand, sir. Hello,
Yes,
sir. Prashant here. What you are saying, I
yes, yes,
understand, sir. But the put, if put premium is not high, it is very low sometime. And then
yes.
at that time, if we sell, then we didn't get enough premium. And if we sell naked, and if uh, trend is not in our favor, if reverse action happen, then we lost the money. So the thing is that
Yes.
we should make it a cover call at this type of market, like force candles appearing at time to time. Sometime bullish, sometime bearish force candles. There are many red candles. There are many green candles, and we are not
So
able
if
to
you feel
decide.
that market is not favorable,
The covered call is
if you
better.
feel no, no, not taking any trade is better.
Okay, so that's what I'm doing.
Yes. So it's not necessary to take trade every day. We'll get our opportunities. Market will be in our favor. It will be as per our understanding. It will work as we understand the markets. And when it starts doing that, at that time we can take a trade. Otherwise, just let it be.
अभी तो नेट प्रैक्टिस चल रहा है सर अभी
Sir,
मेन
ये
चीज है
Yes,
actually,
yes.
sir, uh,
चालू चालू
we
मार्केट
need to
में
understand the spread and ratios and everything in detail, because many a time in mentorship group, also in Telegram group, uh, people are doing in your previous batch, they are doing spreads, like uh, buying a call and selling a put.
Buy call spread, bull call spread, bull put
Yeah,
spread.
yes,
Yes, we'll
yeah.
discuss those
That
things.
Yeah, this thing in detail we didn't discuss in this course
See,
that we
what I
have done.
want right now is you should understand that how the price moves in the day when the day is
Because
trending,
naked
and how
naked
we
call
can take
only
advantage.
help in daily trading only. If you want to
Yeah, that is fine.
buy or sell option on weekly or monthly basis, then we need to learn covered call.
No, you don't need to learn covered call.
For monthly also, can you carry on this position for next day if you want to buy or sell
If
as
you
per
are
your.
taking directional trades,
Mhm.
yeah, I don't take covered call strategy. I don't use covered call strategy. So therefore, I don't have too much knowledge about covered call strategy. But if you have understanding of direction, then you don't need covered
Sir,
call
but
strategy. You just have to keep patience.
sir, many of your students are doing and learn from you only.
Covered call is different thing.
Covered
I
call
have
is a
not.
different thing. What you are telling is a call spread, bull call
Yeah, spread.
or bull put spread. That is what you are trying to.
Yeah, that's what I am trying to
Covered call
explain.
is a totally
Yes.
different strategy.
So bull put spread, bull bear put spread.
Bear put
Spreads
spread.
are different. Covered call is different.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
now the
So
issue is this only that in ongoing market, it is difficult to on this spot. We miss the trades while just
so
trying.
market is always like this. We always miss the trade because we don't
Yes,
know
yes,
how to trade
yes.
at
That is what we
in
are.
running market.
Yes,
We are unable to make decisions. Therefore, we need to trust our instruments. We need to trust these things that see this is the chart. It shows us bullish behavior. So we don't need to take a bearish trade. What is bullish
yes, for
behavior
sure.
here? That prices are rising rapidly with increasing volume with wide spreads. So we have these things on the chart printed. Don't sell in this shorting area, even though it is a selling area with multiple selling areas available. Don't sell because it may not fall. It may just break this area. So we have to use these tools properly, understand these things. Now, what I want to tell you is, what we are going to do is,
Choosing the
let me
instrument
show
is the
you
problem, sir. Choosing which
what.
strike. See, the problem is now choosing the right strike is the issue now. Right strike.
Yes, so I'm coming to that. Now, what we have to do is we have to identify the candles which have created big range.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the days when we are likely to make very good profits. Like this is a big trending day on downside. This
Hmm.
is also a big candle relatively.
Hmm.
We have to check those candles which have created more than 750 points in Bank Nifty.
Hmm.
So this candle is 697. This is 767. This is much more than that. This is around 800 points. This is around 1000 points. This is around 1200 points. So we have to identify all these candles. I am going to elaborate these things in proper manner. But right now I will just tell you what we are going to do in uh, short time. So suppose these are 5, 6 candles. See what are these candles? They are big range candles, right?
Hmm.
That means these were trending days.
Yes.
Now we have to study these candles and study in a manner to understand what was a possible entry on that day, how price action happened, what was the initial high, how the high identified, how the hive got formed, how we got any opportunity, was there any opportunity to sell in some selling area, or prices reacted only from the big short selling hidden gaps. So we have to understand that. What we will do is we'll go here, we'll check 15-minute chart with TRT and force candle. On 15-minute candle, we need to add one more thing, that is events and sessions break. So this is start of the candle. From here prices kept falling. This is first candle, first very big red candle. There is strong hidden gap immediately. Price came down. Price went in hidden gap. After that it continued downwards. So if we check on 15-minute chart, it has given shorting opportunity based on hidden gap concept, strong hidden gap concept. But
Okay.
the risk reward is not favorable. Now, let us check on 5 minute what it has done. There was this strong selling candle immediately, and this is the first candle. So after that, price went up slightly. How much it went up from this to this? It went up to 50%. So it has given a retracement of 50%. It went in this hidden gap area. From there, it fell down after two strong downward candles, but there is no opportunity to sell on uh, this TRT in selling area. Then again, what do we have? We have a 3-minute chart. On 3-minute chart in Bank Nifty on this trading day, we did not have any opportunity to sell short in any selling areas, and prices just kept falling and falling without giving us entry in the selling area. So on this trading day, what happened on 5-minute chart? In the start in the morning, immediately there were two strong downward candles with down arrows. On 3-minute chart, same thing. Within first few minutes up to 9:35, there were three strong downward candles with strong downward arrows. So price did not touch any selling area on same on any time frame, and it just kept falling and falling throughout the day. So on this type of day, even though prices fell down, we did not have any good opportunity to sell in the selling area. But
Mm.
there were multiple opportunities to sell which could have been used. Like after these two arrows, one could have sold after this candle created this low. Below this low, one could have sold, or in this change, one could have sold. In this downward arrow, one could have sold. So there were multiple opportunities to sell with slightly bigger risk, not very small risk, but bigger risk. So if you sell here and keep stop loss above this, it is a risk of around 300 points. But from here, price kept falling and you got a reward of around 600 points. So that is also a fair enough risk reward on this kind of strong trending day. If you go to 1-minute chart, you may find something which may be interesting, which may not be interesting. So on 1-minute chart, it has given retracement entries. It came down, gave retracement entry, came down again, created this multiple down moves again, and probably here we have yeah. So on 1 minute we got this opportunity to sell short. Here the risk was just 43 points, and by the time we exit, the reward is around 180 point, 190 points. So almost 4 times, 5 times reward was possible even using 1-minute chart. So there will be some occasions when even 5-minute and 3-minute are not giving any retracement entry on that day. When the day is strongly trending, 1-minute chart has given opportunity to short. So this is one day where opportunity was not available on 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart based on retracement. I am going to give you one more tool which I am developing, options force. So I have added VWAP and some force and some more things. I'm still exploring this tool, and that's why I need your help in this. So if you see this vertical line, this
Mhm.
vertical line, red arrow, that is the indication that volume is increasing in selling side, and it is indication to sell. So in this, one can sell as soon as price touches either this blue or black line, and from there one can look for shorting opportunities. So that got good opportunity to sell short based on 5-minute chart, and based on 3-minute chart we can see this is the strong selling, this is another strong selling candle. I'm going to tell you what is this selling opportunity, how to take that. So this tool will be used only on 3-minute. It will not be used on 5-minute. We'll test it on 3-minute. This first single candle, like single vertical line like this red signal, that indicates that we have to sell short, and selling level will be either this blue line or black line or the selling area. And one can sell at all three levels and keep stop loss when candle changes to red. Sorry, candle changes to green. That is going to be your setup which we are going to look at, but that we are going to discuss soon in our uh, new study. Okay, so this has given opportunity to sell in this candle, and again after that prices have kept falling and falling, and I have seen that this gives very good opportunity. See here, it has not given any indication to sell short based on that, and mostly prices have not gone in trending moves.
Sir,
It
it's a
gave
very
retracement entry.
good indicator. VWAP is a volume weighted average price, and
Yes,
it's really a good indicator if we use it properly.
yes, yes.
I'm
So see here,
I'm
there is a
seeing it.
green signal.
Yeah,
Here
but
there is a green signal, but trend is down. So
trend is
it's
down.
not
So
opportunity to buy.
if trend is down and red signal is there, then VWAP is suggesting to sell. And at that time, we have to see the blue line.
Yes, yes.
That's correct, sir.
So
Very good
we are
indicator,
going.
sir. Very good indicator, sir.
Yeah.
So the basic
Okay then.
is the strike, which strike, how much far we go from the ATM. That is the basic question that I am not able to decide
If you want to sell, that is right.
immediately I am not able to decide on the spot.
If you want to sell or if you want to buy.
Both, I mean, either sell or buy. Whenever
So
there is,
for buying, buy at the money or slightly in the money. Don't go away.
yeah,
So if signal is created at this level, suppose uh, if you want to sell, this is the first candle, and if you want to sell at this level, 50,923.
hmm.
Okay, for example. So
Hmm.
from here, which are the nearest strikes?
It will be 50,900 and 800,
Yeah, 50,900 and 51,000,
51,000.
right? So 50,900 will be at the money, and
Yeah.
51,000 will be slight in the money. Put. You can use both of them and buy,
And
or
sell,
you can use
or
both
sell.
of them and sell call.
Okay, so we go about 100 points away only from the ATM.
Yes, we don't need to go too much away.
Okay. And keep a
So,
tight stop loss.
especially for buying.
Yeah, for selling.
If you want to sell, now what is your um, area of selling? Suppose this is your area of selling where you want to sell 51,031. Where is your stop loss? It is around 51,090. So 51,090 means 51,100.
Hmm.
That can be your this
Call
uh,
sell.
call selling area. Now we have to check the premiums. How much is the premium in that? Suppose here the premium is suppose it is 800 points.
Hmm.
Okay.
Very low premiums.
No, 800 points is not low.
No. If you s-
Sir,
call
at ATM,
sell call,
we are at ATM just below, just above we are just slightly OTM.
Okay, let us check the 51,900. Right
no,
now, where are we? We are here
51,100.
No, on that day it would have been 900. Right now, let us check ATM call premium. Okay, so 49, 9,000, 50,000. 50,000 is 875 right
Hmm.
now.
Okay, monthly expiry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, now it's just monthly expiry. It's not weekly
Yeah,
expiry.
I'm talking about Nifty. This Bank Nifty monthly expiry. The monthly
Yes, yes.
expiry. Is it advisable to sell in monthly expiry because theta is not our friend.
Yeah, so if you are taking directional trade, then you can sell monthly expiry also. See, it has given a sell signal here.
For the
It
intraday
gave
trading also.
retracement entry also. Yes.
Intraday
See,
also decay will help.
this
Yeah.
was today's chart. Okay, this was today's chart. What has it done? It went in this area. This is selling area. Stop loss is just 30 points. How much it has gone down? It went down by 420 points. When stop is hit, you are making 260 points. For risk of 30 points, if you are making 240 points, 250 points, it is 1:8. Right?
Hmm. So
Sir,
we
this
go
is buying put or selling call?
Selling call.
This is selling call. Selling call. Instead of this,
how?
let us check the chart of put. Okay, let us check the chart of put. At this time, first we'll use Bank Nifty chart. This is Bank Nifty chart, okay? And at 9:40, this is the level 50,200. So we'll check 50,200 put. Bank Nifty 50,200 put. Okay,
1400.
see this price created this, came in buying area, it came down with strong candle. So we have to keep stop loss on closing basis. If we buy here 761, this is our stop loss. It's 30-point stop loss. Okay, it went down slightly up to 45 points. Then it went up by 400 points, almost 9 times. And even if you exit here, you are making 200 points. When you are buying call and there is rapid up move like this, you can exit here also, 300 points.
So we go slightly ATM or slightly OTM. That's all. Yeah, and a tight stop loss.
Yes, yes.
And the
The
targets,
stop loss needs to be on closing basis.
targets on trailing stop loss basis. Or
Yes, target can be used on trailing stop loss, or when there is very rapid move,
yeah.
one can look to exit, or there is a change. So just
Mm.
exit here also. That is also fine in option buying.
Okay.
Okay.
So 3 minute or 5 minute?
See, 5 minute and 3 minute both are okay. If we check on 3 minute, uh, 3 minute has hit the stop loss, and where is the start? Yeah, this is the start. So 3 minute has hit the stop loss and then it has gone up. But 5 minute did not hit the stop loss. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes it also depends on luck also. When we have conviction that it's likely to continue, then we may keep holding based on 5 minute chart. So therefore I use 15 minute, 5 minute and 3 minute. And when the areas are coinciding, 5 minute is also at same level, 3 minute is also at same level, always try to take a stop loss based on higher time frame, because that is more likely to get respected. Lower time frame stop loss is less likely to get respected.
Sir,
Sir,
higher time frame में buying area में there is a possibility of reversal.
Yes.
या फिर it may break the buying area. So
when will it break the buying area? When
we'll
price
see
is
the force.
falling with strong candles.
Yeah, then only. So at
Yes.
that time we will not enter in the lower time frames also. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
got it.
Okay. Yes, Jaita
sir,
ma'am.
sir, this is put buying chart we are seeing, right?
Yeah, this is put chart.
Okay. And sir, in the 3 minutes chart in this Bank Nifty only, you said it hit the
It has
stop
hit the stop
loss.
loss.
How?
Yes.
Sir, please explain how. Where?
See, the candle color has turned red here.
Yes.
The day started here. It came
Okay.
down. If you check this chart on 5 minute, and let me come to bar replay. That will be better to see. So this is bar replay chart. This is first candle, 9:15 candle. Price
Yes.
went up, came down in the buying area. Now, when it came down, it created strong down candle.
Mm.
Okay. And
Yes.
this strong down candle will be visible with this. So if we use force candles, it will be visible like this white candle, a very
Mm.
big candle, and it closed here. So when it is a big candle while it is falling and come in the buying area, then this low is not our good stop loss because it may get penetrated and we have
Yes.
to take a confirmation entry.
Mm.
Therefore, price did not close below that. It penetrated below it once again. See here. Yeah, it penetrated but was not able to close below this. Now here there is strong selling force and here selling force has weakened. When price crosses above this, that can be buying opportunity with stop loss below this.
Okay.
And then it started moving higher rapidly. So when we do this study which we are trying to do, after that this will be much easier to understand because we have to check at least 10 charts of trending days, how the trending day works, and next time when trending day is likely to happen, we will do prospective study that what is the action, what are the options doing on those days based on 3 and 5 minute charts. But first we have to understand on the spot charts of Bank Nifty and Nifty that how prices move. So on trending day, what is the price action, and based on that, what action we can take, how we can take best advantage, what strategy we should deploy for possible trending days, or how to identify that probably this will be a strong trending day and we can take advantage. That will be
Yes.
the purpose of taking going through that study. Okay. We'll end the meeting now. Thank you, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Good night.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Nice, sir.
Everyone.
Bye. Good night.